So we just finished an install here on this 2018 Ford F-350, and man, this thing is a nice truck. Customer really went all out. We put in a control panel, and it's all velcroed in. There's no screws in the cab. It comes out pretty easy. We put a voltmeter in so he can keep an eye on his battery and what that's doing. We put a backup alarm on the truck, and there's an LED here so he can tell when that backup alarm is on. We put a backup strobe system in, complete with pattern change, and reverse takeover. Work lights, so in the summertime he can back up to trailers or shovel off sidewalks in the winter and have his reverse lights on even when the vehicle's in park. That doesn't backfeed to reverse on the transmission. And then we're going to put a running light system on the truck, running light strobes, which I've never done before, but it's going to be really exciting. So the strobes work pretty well. The strobe switch actually integrates with a bunch of other strobes that he has on the truck, including his roof light, strobes in the toolbox, and some strobes up here in the grill as well. And so those are all integrated on that same switch. And let me just show you the backup strobes. So the backup strobes, we did 6 lights. They're mounted on the trailer hitch. They're 3,000 lumens a piece. And go ahead and put it in reverse. And so reverse takes over precedence. And so anytime the vehicle's in, you can put it back in drive or back in park. So anytime the vehicle's in reverse, reverse takes over. But just a really great truck, lots of visibility, and just this thing is sweet. And looking forward to doing some running light strobes. We're going to do running lights right along these running boards, and there'll be strobes as well. And no one should have any trouble seeing this really nice Ford F-350. Sweet.